Hi everyone, welcome to my channel MLT Super Guide. In this video, I am going to discuss microbiology questions. This is part 1 video, contains 1 to 40 questions. If you are watching my channel first time, please watch my previous videos, Immunology part 1, part 2 and important model questions 1 to 50. Link is given in the description box. If you like my videos, please subscribe and watch. Thank you. First question, chlamydospore production is demonstrated by which Candida species? Candida krusei, Candida glabrata, Candida albicans, all of the above. Here the right answer is option C, Candida albicans. Chlamydospore is the thick-walled, large resting spore. Second question, cetrimide agar is used as a selective isolation agar for Moraxella species, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Acinetobacter species, none. Here the right answer is option B, Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Cetrimide agar is used as a selective medium for the isolation of Pseudomonas aeruginosa from pus, sputum and drains etc. Cetrimide is the selective agent and inhibit most bacteria. Third question, which of the following organisms are generally positive for beta-galactosidase? Salmonella, Proteus, Shigella, E. coli. Here the right answer is option D, Escherichia coli. The Voges-Prosker test detects which end product of glucose fermentation? Nitrite, acetoin, acetic acid, hydrogen sulfide. Here the right answer is option B, acetoin. Fifth question, Kingella kingae is usually associated with which type of infection? Endocarditis, meningitis, middle ear, none. Right answer is option A, endocarditis. Which media should be used to recover Bordetella pertussis from a nasopharyngeal specimen? Chocolate agar, blood agar, bordered gingu agar, all of the above. Right answer is option C, bordered gingu agar. Next question. The majority of Haemophilus influenza infections are caused by which capsular serotypes? B, C, D, A. Here the right answer is option A, serotype B is the right answer. The best specimen for recovery of the mycobacteria from a sputum sample is 24-hour pooled specimen, 12-hour pooled specimen, 10-hour evening specimen, first morning specimen. Here the right answer is option D, first morning specimen. Next question, special stain for metachromatic granules. Malachite green, Albert stain, relief stain, none. Here the right answer is option B, Albert stain. Metachromatic granules are also known as volutin granules and these are present in Corynebacterium diphtheria bacilli. Albert stain is a type of differential stain used for staining volutin granules. Next question. The predominant species causing shigellosis in India. Shigella flexneri, Shigella boydi, Shigella dysenteriae, Shigella soni. The right answer is option A, Shigella flexneri. Next question. Risazorin test is done for water, milk, air, all. Here the right answer is option B, milk. Risazorin gives milk a characteristic blue color and the test is based on the ability of bacteria in the milk to reduce the blue dye. So the right answer is option B. Next question. Lactobacillus is also known as Klebsiella, Salmonella, Dorderlin's bacillus, none. Here the right answer is option C. Lactobacillus is also known as Dorderlin's bacillus. Next question. Acid fastness is due to the presence of mycolic acid, carbonic acid, hyaluronic acid, none. The right answer is option A. Acid fastness is due to the presence of mycolic acid. Next question. The indicator used in TCBS agar is neutral red, phenol red, bromothymol blue, none. The right answer is option C, bromothymol blue. Q fever is caused by which bacteria? Mycoplasma, Listeria, Coxiella, Yersinia. The right answer is option C. Q fever is caused by Coxiella. Next question. Fluorescent stain for mycology. Chalcofluor white, rhodamine, auramine, acridine orange. Right answer is option A. Chalcofluor white. Next question. Circulation of bacteria in the blood is known as bacteremia, pyemia, septicemia, none. Right answer is option A. Circulation of bacteria in the blood is known as bacteremia. Which of the following is indicator media used for the diagnosis of urinary tract infections? Blood agar, chocolate agar, McConkie agar, XLD. Right answer is option C. McConkie agar. Next question. String of pearls reaction is shown by Bacillus cereus, Bacillus anthracis, Nocardia, none. The right answer is option B. Bacillus anthracis. String of pearls reaction is shown by Bacillus anthracis. Last question. Vector in plague disease, flea, tick, mite, louse. Right answer is option A. Vector in plague disease is flea. Next question. Which of the following is organ of locomotion? Capsule, pili, flagella, all. Right answer is option C. Flagella. Capsule, it is a polysaccharide layer that lies outside the cell envelope. Pili is a hair-like appendage found on the surface of many bacteria. Next question. Instrument used for sterilization of hospital waste. Incinerator, autoclave, hot air oven, none. Right answer is option A. Incinerator. Incineration is a waste treatment process that involves the combustion of organic substances contained in waste materials. Autoclave is a machine that uses steam under pressure to kill harmful bacteria, viruses, fungi, and spores on items that are placed inside a pressure vessel. Hot air oven are electrical devices which use dry heat to sterilize. They were originally developed by Pasteur. Here the right answer is option C. Instrument used for sterilization of hospital waste is incinerator. Next question. Who prepared rabies vaccine? Robert Koch, Louis Pasteur, Medtnikov, Alexander Fleming. Right answer is option B. Louis Pasteur. Robert Koch is the father of bacteriology. Medtnikov discovered phagocytosis. Phagocytes are specialized cells that ingest and destroy bacteria. Alexander Fleming, he is a Scottish bacteriologist best known for his discovery of penicillin in 1928. Next question. Which of the following is an example of indicator media? McConkie agar, chocolate agar, nutrient agar, all. Here the right answer is option A. McConkie agar. Indicator media means an indicator included in the medium. A particular organism causes change in the indicator. Right answer is option A. McConkie agar. Stain used in electron microscope. Gram stain, phosphotungstic acid, Albert stain, Seale-Nielsen stain. Right answer is option B. Phosphotungstic acid. And gram stain is a method of staining used to distinguish and classify bacterial species into two large groups, gram-positive bacteria and gram-negative bacteria. Albert stain is used for Corynebacterium diphtheriae. Seale-Nielsen stain is a bacteriological stain used to identify acid-fast organisms, mainly mycobacteria. Next question. Cullen reaction seen typically with Pneumococcus, Klebsiella, Pseudomonas, Bacillus. Right answer is option A. Pneumococcus. Pneumococci are also known as Streptococcus pneumoniae. And what is Cullen reaction? It is a biochemical reaction in which antibodies bind to the bacterial capsule of Streptococcus pneumoniae. A positive Cullen reaction occurs when Tie-specific antibody bind to the capsule of pneumococci, leading to a change in the refractive index, and when viewed under a microscope, the bacteria appears swollen and more visible. Next question. Which of the following is halophilic vibrio? Vibrio mimicus, Vibrio vulnificus, Vibrio parahemolyticus, all. Here the right answer is option D, all. And halophilic vibrio means they cannot grow in media without addition of salt. Non-halophilic vibrio means vibrio may grow in media without salt. Example, Vibrio cholerae. Next question. Causative agent of whooping cough. Brucella, Bordetella, Serratia, all. Right answer is whooping cough is caused by Bordetella. The genus Bordetella contains very small gram-negative coccobacilli. Bordet and Gengu isolated the organism Bordetella pertussis from children suffering from whooping cough. Next question. An example of photochromogen. Mycobacterium tuberculosis, Mycobacterium kansasi, Mycobacterium sinopi, all. Right answer is option B, Mycobacterium kansasi. Photochromogens form colonies that produce no pigment in the dark, but when colonies are exposed to light for 1 hour in the presence of air and re-incubated for 24 to 48 hours, a yellow-orange pigment appears. And right answer is option B, Mycobacterium kansasi. Next question. The concentration method used for sputum is Petros method, by using tergitol, both, none. Right answer is option A, Petros method. It is a simple and widely used technique. Sputum is mixed with equal volume of sodium hydroxide and incubated at 37 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Then centrifuge at 3000 rpm for 30 minutes. Then the supernatant fluid is poured off and the deposit is neutralized by adding 8% hydrochloric acid with a drop of phenol red indicator. The deposit is used for smear culture and animal inoculation. So this is a method widely used for concentration of sputum. Next question. The generation time of E. coli. 20 hours, 20 days, 20 minutes, 20 seconds. Here the right answer is option C, 20 minutes. And what is generation time? Generation time is the time required for a cell to divide is known as generation time or doubling time. Bacteria take an average 50 minutes to 1 hour to go through one cycle of binary fission. And for E. coli it is 20 minutes and for Bacillus subtilis it is 35 minutes. Next question. Rocky Mountain spotted fever is caused by Rickettsia rickettsii, Rickettsia typhi, Rickettsia prowazekii, all. Right answer is option A, Rickettsia rickettsii. Rocky Mountain spotted fever is the most serious type of spotted fevers. The causative agent is Rickettsia rickettsii. The incubation period is about 1 week. Rickettsia prowazekii is a causative agent for epidemic typhus and Rickettsia typhi is a causative organism for endemic typhus. Here the right answer is option A, Rickettsia rickettsii. Next question. Urease breath test used to detect Helicobacter, Campylobacter, Brucella, none. Right answer is option A, Helicobacter. And how to perform urea breath test? Urea labeled with an isotope of carbon is given orally to the patient. If the patient's stomach contains Helicobacter pylori, urea is converted into ammonia and carbon dioxide. This labeled carbon dioxide appears in the breath where it can be measured. Next question. Reverse cam test is done to detect beta hemolytic streptococci, staphylococci, pneumococci, Clostridium perfringens. Right answer is option D, Clostridium perfringens. And what is reverse cam test? It is similar to that of cam test for identifying group B streptococci, except that Clostridium species is inoculated in place of Staph aureus and a non-group B streptococci is used. Next question. Sensitive and reliable indicator of inflammatory process. ESR, CRP, ANA, all. Right answer is option B, C-reactive protein. C-reactive protein is a protein made by the liver. CRP levels in the blood increase when there is a condition causing inflammation somewhere in the body. A CRP test measures the amount of CRP in the blood to detect inflammation due to active conditions or to monitor the severity of disease in chronic conditions. Next question. The most common early symptom of hepatitis A is shortness of breath, loss of appetite, abdominal distension, none. Right answer is option B, loss of appetite. Next question. During the window period of patient with AIDS, the best diagnostic test is reverse transcriptase polymerase chain reaction, ELISA test, Western blot, rapid test. Here the right answer is option A, RT-PCR. And what is window period? Window period is the time between when a person is exposed to a bacteria or virus and when a test can accurately detect organism. So there is a difference between window period and incubation period. What is incubation period? Incubation period is the time elapsed between exposure to a bacteria or virus and when symptoms and signs are first apparent. Next question. Endoscope is sterilized by formalin, glutaraldehyde, hot air oven, none. Right answer is option B, glutaraldehyde. When 2% glutaraldehyde is used for manual and automated disinfection, 10-minute immersion is recommended for endoscope before the session and between patients. The concentration used is 2% glutaraldehyde. And right answer is option B. Next question. Pigment bearing structure of bacteria are mesosomes, chromophores, plasmids, ribosome. Right answer is option B, chromophores. And ribosome is a factory of protein synthesis in cells. Plasmids, it is a small extra chromosomal DNA molecule within a cell that is physically separated from chromosomal DNA and can replicate independently. Next question. Bacteria multiply by spore formation, conjugation, simple binary fission, all. Here the right answer is option C, simple binary fission. It is a kind of asexual reproduction. In binary fission, the fully grown parent cell splits into two halves. After replicating its genetic material, the parent cell divides into two equal sized daughter cells. If you like my video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.